And here she is, trying to decide what I'm gonna do with her. So, got brand new tires, the pony wheels on her, 133,000 miles. Body's in pretty good shape, other than, see right here, got some dents here and there. That valence panel needs to be sanded down and redone. I don't think it's off of this car. Yeah, it is. So what happened to this is a tree fell across the top. You know, everything that it skinned up, the guy that had it before me just kind of left it alone, and those spots rusted up. But anyways, this 5.0 motor, 133,000 miles on it. The tree fell, went across the top. I've already got new vinyl for the top, but I was looking at it, and I don't think that's a factory break right there. But it's pretty identical on both sides, the same spot. So I'm guessing that's just where the weight of it come down. I don't know what this crap's made out of, but I'm gonna try to see if somebody can weld that back together for me. If that'll weld, brace it somehow. I may have to get anything, but interior's in pretty good shape. It's just we got carpet and everything out. Got a brand new clutch in it. Needs front suspension. It's been sitting a while, so this all froze up. So when you hit a bump, it just, you know, it's zero movement. Thing just bounces like an old lawnmower. But I'm trying to decide what we're gonna do, if we're gonna keep it, if we're gonna sell it. I got too many projects laying around everywhere, so yeah. So there's that. Can't even get my hand in there to get the, open the hood. Dang. What the hell's the hood latch on this thing? There we go. You got your Virgin 5.0 HO. Nothing's been done to it. Everything is bone stock. So, yep, I'm gonna decide what we're gonna do with it. May try to clean it off today and go ahead and wash it up, but it may be up for sale here in a few days. If anybody sees it and likes it, hit me with an offer.